Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS asi haina fagatpa nouna maming leinaba semgattuna leibak asida Khwadagi Faba structure ga Changdamnaba Ngamnaba Hotnarasi haina Institute asigi Director Professor Sunil Kumar Sharma na fongdokkhre. Ngarang India ge humudra nipalak suba Independence Day ge thoram RIMS ki A block ta Director Professor Sunil Kumar Sharma na India ge masu hungi phiral singkhatuna pangtholaduna Manipur Security Service na Guard of Honor PK. Ngarangi thormaduda Director Sunil Kumar Sharma na haikibada leibak asigi citizen ama oina aikoina masigi ningkha tamba manaba amadi asumba wayalbu awangba thakta thangatpa amadi ikai khuna baibisi aikogi ithone khunai asi paganaba amatoiba wakhalonda thabak tawgadabani RIMS Imphal asi matam punamakta haksel faganaba medical education da amadi research ki lamda mangjil thaduna Manipur khakta natana awang nongpok lamdam dasu mangjil thariba medical institute amani Haukiba sayolda New Delhi da Standing Finance Committee SFC ge mifam da Director amoina lakadoriba sahi yankai sida RIMS asi nauna owanba amagaloina hena phagat anduna malim gi thakta infrastructure medical gi khudong saba phanganaba super speciality block leinaba multi level parking thamnaba master plan ama India lengakta pishin krai Masina RIMS asi leibak asigi aphaba structured leiba medical institute singa Changdamnaba Ngamnaba haike
been in forefront of promoting healthcare, medical education, research, not only the Manipur but in the whole Northeast and by now to the whole nation. We have helped in building manpower, human resources in the entire Northeast states, and again RIMS tends to be one of the foundation place for the whole Northeast. By now it's across the country. And we have requested for a world-class infrastructures, medical facilities, library, super specialty blocks, multi-level parkings, and more or less is a proven principle. And once we can execute in next maybe 8 to 10 years from now, the whole landscape of this area will be changed. We'll be seeing some sort of 5 to 6 story permissible buildings, blocks, and that we are going to compete with the rest of the country's best infrastructure.